Imagine you have carefully thawed a beautiful cut of meat in your refrigerator, ready for a special meal. But then, plans change, and you find yourself wondering, just how long can that meat safely stay in the fridge once it is thawed? Once completely thawed in the refrigerator, most raw meats, like beef, pork, and poultry, are generally safe to cook within 1 to 2 days. Ground meat, seafood, and organ meats have a slightly tighter window, often best used within 1 day for optimal safety and quality. The reason for this guideline lies in controlling bacterial growth. While thawing in the refrigerator keeps meat below the temperature danger zone of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it does not stop bacteria from growing entirely. This cold environment merely slows down the process. Bacteria that cause spoilage can still multiply slowly, and any pathogenic bacteria that might have been present before freezing can become active again once the meat thaws, even if they were dormant in the freezer. Different types of meat have varying structures and compositions, which impacts how quickly spoilage can occur. To ensure you are making the best use of your thawed meat, always keep it stored on the lowest shelf of your refrigerator, preferably in a container or on a plate to catch any potential drips. This prevents cross-contamination with other foods. If you decide not to use the thawed meat within the recommended 1 to 2 days, you have a couple of safe options. You can either cook the meat and then refrigerate the cooked leftovers for another 3 to 4 days, or you can safely refreeze the thawed meat without cooking it first. Refreezing might slightly affect the texture of the meat due to ice crystal formation, but it will remain as safe. One insider tip to extend the safe period is to thaw your meat slowly in the coldest part of your refrigerator, typically the bottom back. This ensures a consistent, very cold temperature throughout the thawing process, which further inhibits bacterial growth compared to thawing on a counter or in warmer fridge spots. Remember, the clock starts ticking on safety as soon as the meat is fully thawed, not when you take it out of the freezer. A rapid thaw method, like thawing under cold running water, also requires immediate cooking, as it brings the meat into the danger zone more quickly. By understanding these simple principles, you can confidently manage your thawed meat, minimize food waste, and keep your meals delicious and safe. Always trust your senses for obvious spoilage, but relying on these timeframes for optimal safety, ensuring your family enjoys healthy meals every time.